Alright, almost done tracking in. Hey guys, Kapper here. I'm giving you an update on the 38-acre parcel. I'm checking in on it for our lease guys. And the 2 watering holes that I did last time, we're going to check on them. One of them was a bust. The soil was just too porous. But the big one that I made that I tracked in, we're going to check it. So let's walk up on it now and see how it looks. So here's a new ditch crossing that I made. I made a ford, like a ramp on each side. So it's another kind of a strategic access for the guys that are hunting, where you can sneak in and out on a different route now. I crossed this once with the ATV and I didn't like it. There was really steep cuts in there, but now it's golden. So you got a nice little watering hole right down there. All right, so here is the second of the 3 that I dug. This was a hasty one that I thought was going to hold water just from the ground level water, because this was where it was holding water in this trail. So I think what I'm going to do for the moment here is, this is the trail coming in. There's a natural low spot. You can see that's holding water. It's a little drainage cut right here. So I'm going to fill in this trail and I'm going to just cut a hole here. It'll only take a few minutes, so that at least this should hold water for quite a while. But obviously we got water in there, but it's too porous. The dirt here in this bottom is just too porous. You could see it's a lot darker than orange clay, so I'm gonna have to come and track one in down here to make it hold water. So it's unfortunate, but at least we got the other big one. We're gonna go check on that other big one that I did track in. Let's see how that's doing.
If you tracked it in, it might hold?
Yeah. All right, we got several sets of tracks on this road here, so they're using this path, so that's good. See that? Look at that.
Weeds. That's all the weeds that came back.
Well, the straight stalks are probably still not as thick as it should be, but it's decent anyways. But you look at that, there ain't even nothing eating it. They ain't even here. You can skirt the edge there if you want. Well, the cereal grains are doing okay, but deer ain't in them yet. Well, actually, there's a few tracks, but not many. And the 2 watering holes that I did last time, we're going to check on them. The soil was just too porous. But the big one that I made that I tracked in, we're going to check it. So let's walk up on it now and see how it looks. So this is at the highest plot. You could see kind of the greens in there. It's not nearly as thick as I would like, but I put that big watering hole down here in the cut. And looks, hey, we got water. Now that's what a watering hole is supposed to look like. That's 18 foot across, probably, give or take. And we got deer tracks in here already. Looks like a couple sets. So they're already in here liking this. So them other two, I'm gonna have to go back and make them bigger and track them in like I did this one. This one's just beautiful. That's beautiful.